Coffee and Creative Planners and your Tula XII Brand Ambassador. Today I am coming with you in our mini series, step 1, 2, and 3 of how to customize and create your personal Tula XII planner. Today we are covering step 2, which is quite simply choose your inserts. So let's go ahead and get started. So when you are choosing your inserts, we have over 90 different combinations of inserts, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. So we have all kinds of lifestyle categories, from health and wellness to direct sales, personal, family, and budget, and so many more. What I've done today is just pick a few so that I can highlight some of the covers for you that you can choose from, some of the inserts that we have, and really show you the quality so that you can begin to start your journey of choosing your inserts. So we're going to start with our spring cleaning insert. This quickly became one of my favorites. Now this is the new raspberry stripe, so it matches our new raspberry cover. We just got this for spring, and let me zoom this out just a little bit. There we go. So our spring cleaning insert, when you open it up, has all kinds of different areas of places you might want to concentrate on spring cleaning. So you can go through and you'll be able to see all the different things when you hit the website. But the best part about this one is this 30-day to clean challenge. So it gives you a different area of your house for 30 days. You can start wherever you want. Has a little supply list over here. I absolutely love it. But let me talk to you a little bit about the quality of our inserts. They are on a very lightweight cardstock paper. So I'm going to be quiet for a second. I want you to hear this quality. That's one sheet of paper. So I have used everything on these inserts, from markers to fountain pens, gel pens, washi tape, stickers, whiteout, you name it, I've used it. Never any bleed through, never any ghosting. Love, love, love the quality of this. Now we also do all of our own printing at Tula XII, so you will notice that we have these attached together here with our saddle staples. Very easy. These can actually be used separately and independently of our covers. But I do recommend getting a cover, of course. But this is our spring cleaning, and you can see there's just a really nice, lightweight quality of an insert there. Now we also have a new one, which is called a garden plan. This is our beautiful wildflower design. How gorgeous is that? Same quality. This has so many pages to it. So if you are a gardener or like to plan your flower beds, you are going to love this. It has everything from a budget to your shopping list. When you go into the back, it has profiles for your seeds and your plants. But the best part about this is our layout. You can begin to build your garden, and you can draw out your flower beds. You have a key down here that you can use so that you can keep everything handy. So from year to year, you don't have to try to remember where you planted things. All you have to do is go back and look at your master key. So I love this one. This one's called Garden Plants. Another fan favorite, especially because of the world that we live in today, is our passwords. Now this is the beautiful gray dot, very neutral. I love it. Definitely for men and women for sure, but I love the gray dot color. It's just really, really nice. Passwords, I don't know about you guys, but I've had to change my passwords a lot during this year. So the one thing I love about this is that you can take one whole page and you can write Facebook or your bank account or whatever you want to do. Put the information here, but then just change your password so you know which passwords you've used in the past. You don't have to spend 20 minutes trying to come up with a different combination, and you just keep this one someplace safe. So you may not necessarily put this in your planner where you're keeping all of your day-to-day things. You might put this someplace else, or you might create something just for the home and keep this one in there. So I love this one for that. Again, this one's called Passwords. And then one of my all-time favorite is our meal and grocery. Now this is our beautiful new tie-dye. Look at all the vibrant colors in there. So, so pretty. Meal and grocery though is so much fun because you can take your dinner, you can do all of them if you like. In my house, we do just dinners. So Monday through Sunday, we sit down and make a plan for what our dinners are. Make sure that we have all of our groceries ready to go. So we have a shopping list here. And I simply just take this to the grocery store and check things off as I go. Love that because it makes it super easy. And if there's a fan favorite meal, I can go back and put a little star next to it and make sure that I start to incorporate that more as I try to introduce my family to new things. So I love that for that reason. I can really plan and track everything with this. So this one's called Meal and Grocery. And again, this is just a small little collaboration here of the inserts that we have. You'll definitely want to check out my website to see all of the different lifestyle categories and different types of inserts available. They do come in small, medium, and XL sizes to coordinate very nicely with our covers. Stay tuned as we discover what accessories we have as we work into our mini series of Step 3. See you next time.